How much do you pay rent for such a place?
Own these.
Really?
Yeah. So this whole mooring is mine.
Okay, so you have like a shed or something?
Yeah, I have a
storage.
shed there. Have like a cabin that I rent out, and you come up here. I live on this boat.
Okay. Oh, you have 2 more there.
Yeah, 2 more. So
Okay.
rhubarb and custard and jelly bean that I rent out as well.
Like Airbnb?
Yeah.
Okay. How big is this one?
So this one is 75 feet by 20 feet.
Okay. That's like a proper house.
It is, yeah, come through.
Hello.
This is like our living space up here. Got a really nice view of the river. Main area down here.
Oh, that's huge.
So kitchen. This is our dining area.
And you have like a fridge and everything like regular house
so
has.
Dishwasher.
Oh, even dishwasher.
All large drawers, you know, like kitchen
Okay.
stuff. Fridge and freezer there.
Nice.
Cupboards with food and stuff. And then, so this is my daughter's bedroom.
Hello.
In a hammock. And then I've got a bathroom here as well. With a bath and a shower.
Proper bathtub.
Yeah, proper bathtub. A very noisy cat. 2 very noisy cats. And then this is our living area.
And this is heating source?
So we have heating, but we also have electric heating all the way through.
Okay, so this is more like for atmosphere.
Yeah, just like winter time to sit around because we don't have a telly.
All right.
And
I love these doors.
yeah, so this is all when we did all our refurbishment. This is all the extra pieces that we sort of used to make the doors.
Okay.
And this is our bedroom.
Oh wow, looks like pirate ship inside.
Yeah, well, it is a pirate ship. And then we have a little bathroom here as well.
Second bathroom.
Ensuite bathroom, yeah.
Oh, that's luxury.
Yep. 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms.
So this used to be some cargo ship before.
Yeah, it used to carry diesel.
Okay,
so it's,
diesel.
It's called a fuel lighter.
Yeah. So it was full of diesel inside.
Yeah, so from this point down to that point where the arches are, this is where they used to carry the diesel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and you mentioned you make Airbnb as well, so
We do upstairs, yeah. We have the little boats and things.
And so many windows bring so much light, natural.
Lovely.
It's nice.
Keeps it warm as well
Right.
in the winter.
I would never tell that it's so big inside.
Yeah. I'll show you the cabin first.
Yeah. So it's like a shed. Used to be.
It's a glorified shed.
Okay. So people actually can rent it out and stay here.
Yeah, they can come and stay in here.
Oh, nice. It's like a tiny house.
Yeah, it's so fully contained. So we have a bathroom in here.
Even washing machine.
Yeah, washing machine, cooker, fridge, all the plates and stuff like that. Electric shower.
So this is the main washing machine because you don't have...
We have another one in
Okay.
our shed
Okay.
that we use for our
Okay.
stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, but this is for guests.
That's
yeah.
nice.
And who said that you could sweep me away? I stumble over all I long to say to you.
So this is like you can buy people buying such a plots and placing their boats and sheds.
Right, so it's a freehold mooring,
Okay.
so you own the land.
Yeah. But it's more like there is no water, or it's not always like this.
So most of the time we're on mud, but it's tidal, so the tide does come in, and sometimes we float, but not very often.
Okay.
So sometimes it's just around a little bit, sometimes all the green is gone and it looks like a river, but it's only for an hour and a half, and then it goes out again, and then 12 hours later it
Okay.
comes back.
And this is, I think, the tiniest boat I have ever seen.
Yeah, this is she's 18 foot by 6 foot 2 or 3, so called a wilderness boat. Come in. So watch yourself on the steps.
It's like in the van.
So the ceiling height is not very high. It's 5'10".
Yeah.
But
So I'm 5'11" and
yeah, you'd have to just watch
bend
here.
my knees sometimes.
But it's got little, we've got a fridge, we've got the sink,
Right.
got the cooker, stuff.
Even bathtub.
And
Nice.
even, so it's a hip bath, so you can use it as a bath or a shower. You have to sit in it, you can't stand. And then little toilet in there, light switch on the wall.
Right.
And then you come through.
Oh, that's very cozy.
So little windows, so you can sit in the bed and you can watch the tide come in and out.
Yeah.
And then all like storage and stuff in there, all games and things, and got the internet in here.
Even music, sound system.
Music, yeah, that's from the old owners. It doesn't work, but we quite liked it, so we left it. But
Makes
we've
sense.
got like a radio, radio and stuff.
That's so cozy.
Yeah, this is from Barge Homestead.
But this one looks big.
So this one, 68 foot. This one, and it's ex-rental, so it sleeps 6 people.
So it's almost as long as your.
Yeah, it is. Not far off.
Yeah.
Like 8 feet. So we have 3 bedrooms. So this is the first one. Then we can come through. We have a bathroom again. So toilet, sink, and then a little shower in there. And then another bedroom. All like wardrobes, and we've got like drawers as well for storage underneath. And then another bedroom, keeps going, and another bathroom.
Second bathroom.
Seconds, we have 2 just without a shower.
That's luxury.
Luxury, indeed. And then gas cooker, a little oven, and then we also have like air fryer, toaster, things like that. So for people can cook. Little fridge, freezer, and then like all your cups, plates, glasses and stuff in there. We have the original burner from the boat, so also squirrel wood burner, which people can use. I always leave it made up. Table, we upcycled all the wood from our boat. I put some resin in, and then we reupholstered everything and put vintage curtains up.
Nice.
And then nice little area outside. The little bench,
Oh yeah.
and you can watch the river and the wildlife around us.
All right. Thanks for showing it out.
Yeah, no problem.